Can you turn up that candle a little?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. Walking down the road, I got nothing left to lose. There's no running water and mud in my shoes. Trees in the rooftops, and power lines are down. A Hershey bar for dinner in a candlelit town. But I don't have a reason that I can complain, because a cigarette still burns in the rain. Walking down the road, I got nothing left to lose, but don't have the freedom to live how I choose. Sweat sticks to my blue jeans in a way I can't control. Mosquitos bite my body and boredom bites my soul. But I don't have a reason that I can complain, because a cigarette still burns in the rain. Hit it, Jibb. But I don't have a reason that I can complain, because a cigarette still burns in the rain. Because a cigarette still burns in the